The tandoor traces its roots back over 5,000 years to the Indus Valley civilization. Archaeologists have discovered clay ovens resembling modern tandoors in Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. These ancient ovens were used for baking bread and cooking meats, showcasing early culinary innovation. The word tandoor comes from the Persian tanor, meaning fire. This simple yet effective cooking method spread across Central Asia, evolving into the cylindrical clay oven we know today. Over centuries, the tandoor's design perfected into a cylindrical clay or metal oven, retaining heat efficiently. The narrow top opening traps heat, while the base holds burning charcoal or wood. Traditional tandoors measure about 1 meter high, with walls 2 to 3 inches thick, to maintain consistent 480 degrees Fahrenheit, 250 degrees Celsius temperatures. In Punjab, potters developed reinforced tandoors, using a mix of clay, sand, and goat hair for durability. This innovation allowed for portable versions that spread tandoor cooking globally. In villages across Pakistan and North India, communal tandoors serve as social hubs. Women gather daily to bake breads like roti and naan, often operated by a designated tandoor wali. These shared ovens foster community bonds while conserving fuel. Some villages maintain 24-hour tandoors, with shifts for different families. The practice continues today in rural Punjab, where a single tandoor might serve 50 households, embodying the collectivist spirit of South Asian culture. Naan, the quintessential tandoor bread, derives from Persian naan, meaning bread. Unlike roti, naan uses yeast, creating its characteristic puffiness. Bakers slap the dough onto tandoor walls, where it cooks in 90 seconds at intense heat. Mughal emperors favored Peshawari naan stuffed with nuts and raisins. Today, variations include garlic naan, invented in 1970s UK, and keema naan with spiced minced meat. Each region adds local twists, from Kashmiri saffron to Amritsari butter-laden versions. The tandoor produces diverse breads beyond naan. Roti, the unleavened whole wheat staple, cooks faster at higher heat. Amritsari kulcha incorporates baking soda for flakiness, stuffed with potatoes or paneer. Lucknow's shirmal, enriched with milk and saffron, reflects Persian influence. In Afghanistan, tandoori bolani folds vegetables into bread. Regional variations use local grains like bajra or jowar, showcasing how a single cooking method adapted to subcontinental diversity over millennia. Tandoori meats rely on yogurt-based marinades where lactic acid tenderizes while spices infuse flavor. A perfect marinade balances turmeric, antiseptic, red chili, garam masala warmth, and lemon acidity. Traditional recipes specify marinating chicken 6 to 12 hours. The yogurt's fat content matters. Punjab's buffalo milk yogurt creates richer flavors than low-fat versions. This technique traces back to Mughal-era dahi masala marinades, later popularized by Moti Mahal restaurant in 1940s Delhi. Sikh kebabs originated when Mughal soldiers skewered minced meat on swords over campfires. Modern versions use fatty lamb or beef mixed with herbs, pressed onto skewers. The tandoor's radiant heat renders fat while smoke infuses flavor. Lahore's famous kake kebabs use a 100-year-old marinade with 21 spices. Hyderabad's boti kebab showcases shikampur technique, minced meat wrapped around spiced yogurt filling. Perfect kebabs require constant rotation for even charring without drying. Tandoori chicken was invented accidentally in 1920s Peshawar. Chef Kundan Lal Gujral at Moti Mahal restaurant rescued drying chicken by marinating it in yogurt and spices before tandoor cooking. The bright red color came from Kashmiri chili, chosen for mild heat. Partition brought the dish to Delhi, where Prime Minister Nehru's patronage made it famous. Today, over 2 million tandoori chickens are consumed daily in India alone, with variations like tangdi drumstick and angari smoky styles. Mughal emperors elevated tandoor cooking with luxurious ingredients. Shah Jahan's kitchens documented tandoori mahi, fish, with gold leaf. The iconic Murg Musalam combines whole chicken marinated in almond paste with saffron. Royal chefs developed slow cooking techniques like tandoor-cooked, sealing meats in dough within the tandoor. These innovations spread through the nobility, with Awad's kebabs becoming legendary. The tandoor symbolized opulence. Some royal kitchens had 12-plus specialized ovens for different dishes. Post-independence, tandoor cuisine democratized in South Asian cities. Karachi's Burns Road stalls serve tandoori chap, beef ribs marinated overnight. Delhi's Paranthe Wali Gali adapted tandoors for stuffed parathas. Lahore's Anarkali Bazaar offers tandoori chai, where tea cooks in clay pots inside tandoors. These innovations made gourmet techniques accessible. A single Karachi street vendor might sell 500 tandoori naans daily. The aroma of smoking tandoors now defines urban foodscapes, from Dhaka to Amritsar. Tandoori flavors globalized through diaspora communities. London's chicken tikka masala, invented 1970s, became Britain's national dish. California chefs create tandoori tacos with naan tortillas. Dubai's fine dining scene offers Wagyu beef seekh kebabs. Modern adaptations include tandoori pizza, Punjabi-style toppings, and vegan tandoori tofu. Surprisingly, Japan's convenience stores sell tandoori-flavored chips, proving the cuisine's cross-cultural appeal. Yet traditionalists argue nothing beats authentic Lahore-style tandoor's smoky depth. No South Asian wedding is complete without a tandoor station. Punjabi celebrations feature tandoori siri paya, slow-cooked trotters. Eid feasts showcase tandoori halim, where the meat and lentil dish finishes in the oven for crispness. Sikh langars use industrial tandoors to serve 5,000 people daily at Golden Temple. Diwali sees families exchange tandoori mithai like sweet naans. These traditions reinforce the tandoor's role as cultural unifier. Its smoky aroma symbolizes hospitality and abundance across religions. Master tandoor makers, badis, preserve centuries-old techniques. In Lahore's Mohalla Tandoorian, families have crafted ovens for generations using special multani clay. A proper tandoor requires 15 days of curing with gradual heat increases. Artisans add secret ingredients. Some use camel dung ash for insulation. With electric tandoors gaining popularity, these craftsmen face extinction. NGOs now document their knowledge, while high-end restaurants commission handmade tandoors, costing over $2,000 for authentic flavor. Contemporary chefs reinterpret tandoor cooking using technology while honoring traditions. Smart tandoors with temperature probes ensure perfect doneness. Molecular gastronomy creates deconstructed seekh kebabs. Home versions include countertop electric tandoors and DIY clay oven kits. Yet the essence remains unchanged: high heat, smoke infusion, and communal joy. As UNESCO considers recognizing tandoori cuisine as intangible cultural heritage, this ancient cooking method continues evolving without losing its soul. From Indus Valley to global menus, the tandoor's 5,000-year journey reflects South Asia's culinary genius. More than just an oven, it embodies community, innovation, and cultural exchange. The smoke carries memories of Mughal feasts, village gatherings, and migrant kitchens. As tandoori cuisine adapts to modern tastes, its fundamentals, live fire, skilled hands, and shared meals, remain timeless. This humble clay vessel continues uniting people, proving that some traditions only grow richer with time.